Welcome back to Sophia's Mini Tour channel. Let's explore early summer at NTU. Remember how colorful National Taiwan University was in spring, with tulips, pink cherry blossom, and azaleas blooming all over the place. It felt like walking through a painting. But now spring has quietly moved on, and early summer is here, bringing a whole new kind of beauty. At the main entrance, the flowers have changed too. Now it's all about hydrangeas and defennias. Those soft purple and blue really pop and make everything feel super fresh. We are starting our walk from the famous Palm Boulevard, heading toward the Drunken Moon Lake. The trees around the lake have these fresh, bright green leaves, and the sunlight makes them glow. Ducks are chilling on the water, and the whole lake looks like a giant green mirror. On the nearby lawn, people are sketching and painting in the shade. It's seriously peaceful, like something out of the postcard. The fringing trees are almost done blooming, but their white petals have covered the ground. It looks like soft white snow. The small-leaved banyan trees are showing off their new green shoots too, all fresh, vibrant, and full of life. Just as we are walking, the full bell rings, the iconic class bell sound that brings back so many student memories. I'm sure lots of you know exactly what I mean. Next up, we pass the administration buildings, and wow, there is a whole row of blooming hydrangeas right next to it. The colors are gorgeous. Inside the building, there is this nostalgic hallway with historic decorations. So many memories there. You can also stop by the little shop for some NTU merchandise, stuffed with the university logo. Behind the building, there is an old row of houses with a laundry and a barber shop, places that were part of the daily life of many students. And of course, we had to drop by the NTU Co-op, which sells products from the NTU farm. I grabbed a raisin walnut bread and one of those classic NTU ice cream sandwiches. Major throwback moment. Then we walk up to Joe Mountain Road, and guess what? Even the turtles are out, sunbathing like they own the places. Near the main library, the bonsai trees have new green shoots popping out. Everything just feels alive and full of energy. Near the new social science building, I spotted a bunch of hibiscus flowers in all sorts of colors: red, pink, yellow, orange. Such a rare burst of color in early summer. Totally instant worth it. We finish our walk by heading out through the Xinhai Road and the Fuxing South Road exit. The banyan trees along Xinhai Road are looking extra lush, and the orange-red cotton tree blossoms on Fuxing South Road. The perfect way to end our mini tour. So yeah, NTU in early summer is a whole different vibe. Not as flashy as spring, but super calming and full of life. If you enjoy this walk with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me again for the next tour. See you again.